How do you feel about whiskey's seemingly quite rapid transition into becoming a luxury commodity, both in terms of its price, the way it's marketed now? I mean, some of the advertising we see for whiskies is sort of hard to differentiate from like perfumes or watches. It's a lifestyle brand for some distilleries or some producers or some blended names. And it's being bought by those same people as well, oftentimes not even being opened, perhaps. Or if it is, maybe not being appreciated in the same way. How does that feel as someone who's been, around whiskey, well, professionally for close to 50 years and more besides?
I'm sad that it should be considered just as an investment and a commodity. I think that this really came about after the stock markets all crashed in 2008. People with money were looking for alternative investments. Well, they'd obviously looked at wine and they'd looked at gold and they looked at motor cars and looked at fine art. But the whiskey suddenly came on the map. And by 2017, the Knight Frank Wealth Report were based on prices achieved at auction, were ranking whiskey as the top alternative investment. Now, this is disastrous for consumers and collectors because the investors have got very deep pockets. And of course, it's not surprising that the industry started to release these phenomenally expensive and dressed up bottles, which frankly were never going to be. Well, Asia was a big market, and some of them would be drunk in Asia as a gesture. I paid £1 million for this. Let's crack it open.